If you searched how to buy shares of CoastalSouth Bankshares Inc., this quick guide shows the practical steps to purchase its stock. CoastalSouth is a regional bank with community branches, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker COSO. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker COSO to locate CoastalSouth Bankshares Inc. Select the listing that matches NASDAQ and the COSO ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm market details and recent price action. Double-check the company description and ticker to make sure this is COSO before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest or the number of shares, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before accepting the order. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the walkthrough link to eToro in the description below if you want to follow the same steps.